How do higher dimensions work? Well, just as the z-axis is orthogonal to both the x and the y-axes, any additional axis is also orthogonal to the x, y, and z-axes. And we can categorize shapes based on having similar properties in different dimensions. For example, a one sphere is a circle. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. A two sphere is what we normally think of as a sphere. X squared plus y squared plus z squared equals r squared. A three sphere is the four-dimensional analog. X squared plus y squared plus z squared plus t squared equals r squared. And just like any plane making a cross-section of a sphere will be a circle, any space taking a cross-section of a three-sphere will be a two-sphere. Likewise, you can do cones. One cone is just an isosceles triangle. X squared minus y squared over h squared equals 0. A two-cone is what we normally think of as a cone. X squared plus y squared minus z squared over h squared equals 0. As its cross-sections are circles. A three-cone's cross-sections are spheres. It follows the description x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus t squared over h squared equals 0. Now, I use t as the fourth dimensional variable because it's our standard parameter variable, usually representing time in physics. Fourth dimensional geometry is frequently used in physics to calculate trajectories and distortions in space-time. Now, actually drawing four-dimensional objects gets very complicated. There's no way to project them properly in 3 dimensions, let alone 2, without really distorting them. I have a description here of what a 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and 4 cube are. And as you can see, the 4 cube is really distorted. All these three-dimensional cells in the 4 cube are supposed to be cubes, 3 cubes, and congruent with each other. The fact that they look like paralleloids indicates how much the projection has to be distorted in order to make it visible in a two-dimensional drawing. That's all for today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments section. Thank you.